Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to calculate grade of a student. So let's start. In the first line we are creating a function using def keyword. The name of the function is grade underscore student and we are passing a parameter marks. Now we'll check some conditions. In condition first, if marks greater or is equals to 90, it checks if the value of marks is greater or is equals to 90, then it returns A. If the condition is true, the function immediately ends and returns the grade A. In the second condition, we will check if marks are greater or is equals to 80, it returns B. If the condition is true, the function returns the grade B. Now, in the third condition, we will check if marks greater or is equals to 70. In the previous conditions are false. This checks if the marks is greater or is equals to 70, it returns C. If this condition is true, the function returns the grade C. This checks if the marks are 70 or higher but less than 80. If true, the function returns C. Now in the next condition, in the condition 4, it checks if the marks are 60 or higher but less than 70. If true, the function returns D. Then in the next condition, in condition 5, it checks if the marks are 50 or higher but less than 60. If true, the condition returns E. Then next, if none of the conditions are true, that means marks are less than 50, the function execute this block, it returns F to indicate a failing grade. Now we are taking a user input to check the mark of a student. Next we will call the function, calls the grade underscore student function with the user provided marks as input. Now in the output we will take the marks and we will print the grade of a student is. The all conditions will run and we will check the grade of the student. So let's do it. I am entering marks 89. Hence 89 is less than 90, so the grade of the student is B. Once again we can check it. If I am entering marks 95, so the grade of the student is A. So thanks for watching this video.